Is it true that you are entranced by a portion of the item pictures you see on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and other web-based business retail destinations? The light is great and without shadows, the foundation is perfect, and in general, it's a faultless showcase, assisting you with survey the highlights of the item easily. Maybe you're a web-based merchant, and you're considering how to get that going with your items. Perhaps you've even gotten a costly camera for the work, yet the pictures are not exactly as you maintain that they should be. Do you have any idea about the thing you're inadequate? A photo box. A decent photograph box will give the perfect foundation and extraordinary brightening essential for making wonderful pictures that exhibit your items brilliantly. To go through the difficulty of finding a decent model, our survey of the best photo light boxes ought to prove to be useful. We'll enlighten you concerning the elements and the advantages and deficiencies of probably the most favored models. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best photo light boxes. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the ZKEEZM brand. Lightbox kit comes with an extra adjustable brightness magnetic USB LED lighting bar to enhance the lighting effect as what you need. It can hold into the studio box by magnetic. Photo box comes with 3 color backdrops: white, black, tan. All are made of high quality thicker PP which are durable, water resistant and anti-wrinkles. All backdrops with Velcro to fix the position, and also easy to switch and clean. Photo booth is composed of stainless steel tubes, solid made and easy to install. No tools are needed to assemble and disassemble. The fold storage design makes it easy to carry. It folds into a storage bag in which adapter and other objects can be put, no extra package is required. Lined with high reflective silver film fabrics, inside diffuses light evenly and avoids vignetting. It can not only provide uniform illumination but also eliminate shadows, reflections and can show more details of the contours. Equipping with multi-opening ways for a front horizontal and top vertical shooting window, it can meet different shooting demands. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the RALENO brand. The photo box has a large interior space. Whether it is sculpture, doll, vase photo shooting, or digital products, it can be easily competent. And it can accommodate rotating discs of various sizes to help you be more creative when shooting video. The light bar part is composed of 120 evenly emitting LED lamp beads, and the maximum brightness is equivalent to a 50W energy-saving lamp, which is enough to meet the photography-filled light requirements of most still life scenes. Sewn the light strip to the top of the box, which reduces the trouble of installation and disassembly, and is more convenient to carry. And because of the square layout, the light will be more uniform than traditional light bars, and with the included soft cloth, a very good soft light effect can be achieved. It provides high-quality PVC backgrounds with pure colors and not easy to have creases, providing you with more possibilities when shooting products and making your photos more vivid and changeable. 0 to 100% brightness is divided into 4 levels to meet your different lighting needs. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Number 3 in our top is from the PULUZ brand. Customized integrated ring light board design with 96 PCS high-quality SMD LED beads. High CRI greater than or equal to 97 could present the truest image of shooting objects. Meanwhile, the inner wall of the photo studio box is stone texture fabric. The lights can be distributed at every corner of the shooting tent to produce softer and more uniform light. Brightness button allows you to control the light effect better, ranging from 1% to 100%, support 10 gears adjustment. Front window supports horizontal shooting. A top hole supports a 90 degrees vertical shooting. This shooting tent can meet your different shooting angles demands. Photo Studio Lightbox, perfect for shooting small items, such as jewelry, accessories, toys, watches, gadgets and other items. Great for photographers, artists, online sellers, professionals and product advertising projects. Portable and foldable design makes it can be carried easily everywhere. This photo lightbox is lightweight, space-saving and resists compression and easy to store and set up. Number 2 in our top is from the Glendan brand. Lightbox integrate with 112 high-quality LED light beads in dimmable range from 0 to 100. You can easily adjust the brightness to get the desired lighting effect, high color rendering index and no strobe, create brighter and softer lights, help eliminate harsh light and shadow to leave your photos looking more natural and great texture. Lightbox photography comes with 4 PCS PVC one-side color backdrops and 2 PCS double-sided wood marble texture pattern backdrops, which are sturdy enough, no wrinkles and easy to clean. You can easily change background colors and build up various shooting scenes. Great for shooting food, jewelry, cosmetics, and small items. It is suitable for bloggers, photographers. The Photo Lightbox offers 3 openings, enable you to choose any photo shooting position for getting more perfect product features and beauty. When you want to shoot smaller items and with high reflecting light products, just stand up the baffle and open the small window. The light source will be more concentrated and the shooting effect will be better. With particular folding design, the whole assembly of portable ring lightbox only needs 10 seconds. No bracket. No screws. No complicated lighting layout. With a durable and waterproof carry bag, it's very compact and convenient to use in many places without taking a lot of space. PhotoBox Extra provide the special inner reflection boards and light diffuser, which is the best practice for fixing the problem of products highly reflecting light and performing more details of the contours. The number 1 product is part of the DUCLUS brand. With 112 ultra-bright LED bulbs in 10 brightness settings ranging from 0% to 100%, this premium photo light box helps you achieve accurate illumination to highlight the beauty of each unique item you shoot. Featuring a 95+ high color rendering index and up to 5500K to simulate realistic daylight, our light box lets you capture stunning photos with perfect color representation to help attract more likes. One of the coolest features of our Photo Studio Lightbox is stable and uniform illumination without unwanted shadows and flickering. Built-in ring lights and 5 inner reflective walls are great at evenly distributing the light to ensure minimal shadowing. We've also included a diffuser to soften lighting, which really makes your photos stand out. Take stunning snaps from front on as well as top down. Our product photography lightbox allows you to take pictures from different angles depending on your product's size and position. Better still, you can adjust the light source direction by flipping the lightbox to easily achieve the effect of the side lighting and front lighting angles. This professional photography lightbox includes 2 matte backdrops to absorb light and reduce reflection as well as 6 colors PVC backdrops. Each PVC backdrop is easily cleaned, durable, and waterproof, enabling you to take photos of water droplets on products without damaging the backdrops. Simple can be mighty. People love how our folding photo box features an all-in-one design that easily assembles in only 3 seconds. This portable photo studio box can also be USB powered and is ready to go at the drop of a hat. Which photo light box would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.